I'm going to start off this video with a statement that will shock you. The vast majority of people in retirement do not have money concerns. I'll let you catch your breath, and then I'll say that again. The vast majority of retirees do not have money concerns. Now, I hear you say, "Oh, that's absurd. Every retiree has money concerns." In some respects, yes, we all do. But if you prepare your financial affairs properly, then your money concerns in retirement will be reduced, if not eliminated, and give you peace of mind to help you reach your retirement happiness goal. So, let me explain. Number 1, prepare, be aware, and share. If you know how long you will live in retirement, you can easily work out how much money you will need. Simple as that, right? However, we actually don't know how long we will live. So the best you can do is to fully prepare your financial condition by identifying all your income sources and all your expenses expected in retirement. Occasionally, a big-ticket item will pop up unexpectedly, of course, so it is always useful to keep something in reserve. If you don't prepare in advance, then you'll soon find out that you can't go back and fix things once you have retired. You should also be prepared to share your financial circumstances with trusted advisors, family, or friends in a confidential manner. They may help you understand where you're going wrong, or at least tell you about their experiences, which may help you. Number 2, how much will come in? In retirement, there are typically 3 sources of income: your pension income, either company pension or government pension, income from savings or investments, and lastly, there might be some part-time income if you intend to work in retirement. The main objective, therefore, is to make sure you have sufficient cash flow coming in, and that you are not asset-rich and cash-poor. You want an investment portfolio that provides cash payouts and is not completely value-driven. You can't pay for groceries with the value of your house, you need cash. But realistically, you only need to have enough income to allow you to live the lifestyle you want. Any more than that is, of course, welcome, but you can only save it for a rainy day or leave it to the kids. Number 3, how much needs to go out? I'm retired and I deserve to spend as much money as I want. Are you okay with that idea? I hope not. What if you run out of money? By all means, buy those luxuries and take that world cruise, but only if A, you can afford it, and B, that it won't result in you spending your retirement fund too soon, but you don't want to outlive your money. You should be aware of all of your expenses, including such items as your accommodation costs, groceries, health insurance, utilities, transportation, entertainment, etc. Don't cheat by ignoring reward items. If you want to buy good clothes in retirement, make sure you properly include them in your list. You'll also soon discover that the word frugal becomes a meaningful word in your everyday vocabulary in retirement. It doesn't mean you're cheap. It just means you're careful about how you spend your money. You want it to last. Number 4, the dreaded budget. Many people are scared of using the word budget, far less actually preparing one. But once you are in retirement, you simply must maintain control of all your ins and outs. Ignoring your cash flows will unquestionably cause turbulence for you now, but more importantly, in the future. You don't have to be a spreadsheet whiz to keep tabs on your money. A safely kept diary will be more than enough, provided it is A, checked and updated regularly, and B, it is followed as best as possible. Don't ever ignore the numbers in the hope that they will sort themselves out. They won't. The budget is your MVP of money, most valuable procedure, so use it or lose it. Number 5, tips to save you thousands. While you're still working, pay off the mortgage if you can. Having no serious outlay for accommodation will dramatically improve your cash flows in retirement. Add to your company pension scheme through voluntary contributions. If possible, go to the maximum allowable in your program. If you get a raise, stash it away immediately. Do you intend to leave money to your kids and grandkids? If you do, that's fine, but be careful not to constrain your retirement lifestyle simply to leave it behind once you're gone. It's your decision, of course, but be aware that today's scrimping will be spent in years to come by somebody else. Do you think downsizing would be worth considering? If you do, then don't look at it solely from a financial perspective. There are so many emotional and logistical issues attached. Learn some basic financial terminology and usage. You need to be able to understand how your pensions and investments are working for you, and to be able to convey your lifestyle requirements in a language your financial advisor understands. Be crystal clear about your health insurance benefits, how long they will last, and how much they will cost. Above all else, start early. If you're older, then start now, don't delay. You have better things to do with your time, so make sure you have the ability to enjoy your retirement. Plan your money matters well, otherwise they can become a serious health impactor, both medically and psychologically. The stress can lead to depression or worse. You can't turn the clock backward once you're retired and fix the shortfall. So I believe that the vast majority of retirees really don't get stressed about their finances. They cope with what they already have, so they can get on with other things in their retirement years. This video has been brought to you by the Olderhood Group, www.olderhoodgroup.com.